Hello everyone. So today we will see how to install AWS CLI on Linux machine operating system. Okay, let's start. So it is slightly different than Windows setup. So as we covered in earlier session how to install the AWS on the Windows. So it is slightly different. So we can use pip to install AWS CLI on Linux or Mac machine as well. And pip is what does it mean? It is a Python package manager, and it can also use to remove or upgrade the Python package. So let's see. There are some steps to install AWS on the Linux. So just follow this one by one. So step one is to install pip on Linux machine using the command line below. So just copy this command. Let me copy this. And apt-get is a package manager for Ubuntu. And note, if you are using Amazon Linux, which is a Red Hat based, then you can use yum, not apt-get instead of. So okay, let me log in through SSH. User. Okay, so just copy that command from the blog. So I'm getting this error because this is AWS operating system, so I need to use yum instead of apt-get. So I will change this. Let me change this. Okay, let's enter. Okay, so it is installing the package. Yes, enter. Okay, so it is done. So next is we need to install AWS CLI. So let's go to this command. Sure. Click on enter. So it is installing and it's done. So we have just completed installation of AWS CLI on Linux machine. So let's verify whether it is installed successfully or not. So we can use this command to verify the version of AWS. If you will see these types of output, that means we have successfully done our setup on the Linux machine. Okay, let's check that. So yeah, you can see the version of AWS CLI, Python, Linux, and bootcore. So we have successfully done this installation on the Linux machine. So thank you guys. We will see you in next session. Thanks.